hectic sessions, but it is not so bad. But now my body just cannot carry me. Hey, it is just hard. But I'll just have to go through with the challenge. So yeah, I came here, I was weighing 88.7 and now I'm on 86. So I have lost something, it's not so bad. So, but my goal weight, I wanted to lose 10 kgs. So I only lost 3, so 2.5. So let's see what's gonna happen in the next 2 weeks. I like the boxing part of it. I'm really enjoying it. It's not as hectic, but the other stuff, it is just so hectic.
And what part of your body do you want to focus on mostly?
My stomach and my thighs. If I can get rid of those, I'll be so happy.
But as a group, I think there's some encouragement between the parties. Yeah, they're quite getting it together for the first timers. But it's just the discipline part where they have to learn to listen and take pain as it comes. Because without that, you cannot achieve what you're looking for.
9, 10.